The Ironman 240 MIG Welder by Hobart is a top-tier welding machine known for its outstanding arc quality and precise voltage control, making it a favorite among both professionals and hobbyists. It boasts an impressive power range from 30 to 280 amperes, ensuring flawless welds with minimal spatter and reduced post-weld cleanup. The machine is capable of welding materials as thin as 24-gauge up to 1/2-inch mild steel, offering versatility for various welding projects. Featuring a dual-geared wire drive system with an aluminum housing, it provides a wire feed speed from 0 to 700 inches per minute for smooth operation. The Ironman 240 includes an easy-to-use spool hub assembly that accommodates spools of various sizes, simplifying the process of changing wire spools. Designed with a fan-on-demand cooling system, the welder operates efficiently by activating the fan only when necessary, which helps reduce energy consumption.